So we're here at ASCO in Chicago and presenting a randomized phase II study, ECOG-ACRIN EA6194. This is a US intergroup study that is sponsored by the NCI and conducted across multiple sites in the United States. The study looked at a patient population with local regionally advanced disease, investigated the value of neoadjuvant combination immunotherapy of Vidutolimod with Pembrolizumab as compared to Pembrolizumab alone. There have been advances recently in this setting, but there is a major need for us to improve efficacy and minimize systemic toxicity associated with immune checkpoint blockade in general. So Vidutolimod is a TLR9 agonist. TLR9 is an endosomal receptor that is expressed by B cells and plasmacytoid dendritic cells, and its activation leads actually to the release of type 1 interferon, which leads to the induction or stimulation of innate and adaptive anti-tumor immune responses. It is important because recent published data has demonstrated important clinical activity of this combination in the PD-1 refractory setting of patients with metastatic melanoma, and therefore we decided to move this into the neoadjuvant space. The study was a randomized clinical trial. Patients were assigned 1-to-1 to monotherapy or the combination. The primary endpoint was pathologic complete response rate. We also looked at the major pathologic response rate, which is complete or near complete, and the important endpoint of event-free survival, which takes into account disease progression, recurrence after surgery, and death because of disease or because of treatment. Overall, the study was positive and met the primary endpoints. We have seen a pathologic complete response rate of 71% on the combination arm, major pathologic response rate of 79%, and the event-free survival rate of 89% at 1 year, all compare very favorably when compared to the control arm of monotherapy anti-PD-1 and to historical controls. And therefore, these data justify proceeding with a definitive Phase III clinical trial. Now, with regard to biomarkers, this study has banked extensive biobank from consenting patients, and we have recently funded an NCI grant that will allow us to conduct a comprehensive biomarker analysis and mechanistic plan that is currently ongoing, actually, in collaboration with the CMAC CIDC laboratories.